Well, the thing we were just gonna do didn't work because we didn't want to get arrested. So, big no on that one. Ain't that right, good buddy? Hopefully I can see you. Wait. Yeah. There he is. Well, we'll do something. You'll see. We're here in Tillamook. We're gonna do something. It's true. Tillamook Cheese Factory. We're on our way home, and damn it, I wanted to stop here. I'll turn the camera back on when something exciting happens. You guys will be able to see how they make cheese. I promise. Cave people in their natural habitat here in Tillamook. Watch as they squish peanuts. Homosexuals. It's true, see? Look. We are from Sweden, yeah. Watching how they make cheese in America. Cows aren't even real here. What a jip.
You should keep that accent up and then it's not baby. It was really funny look.
And someone's like, what are you doing? I was like, we are from Sweden, yeah. Watching how they make the cheese here in America. Und ja. Ooh, to observation area.
Hello, excuse me.
Oh. To the cheese made them. Wait. Look, it's like you're... Whoa.
Und ja, let's go to sample life.
Und ja, I want the free cheese.
Und ja.
Oh, I see how
I
it is.
can imagine. What?
Well,
Und what?
I don't want to have the camera on the whole time we're waiting in line, so I'll turn it back on when we get to the goods.
Und
I'm going to show this to a health clinic place. Look at this. Nobody's guarding the cheese or grabbing the cheese with their toothpicks out of an open toothpick box. It's disgusting. Eating away. Look, come on, let me see the open box.
Oh,
Look at that. Disgusting. I'm just gonna grab toothpicks with the hand that I just shit and didn't wipe. Gross. I can't even eat that cheese. I'll be thinking about it all day and want to throw up or something. But damn it, it looks good. Maybe if I get one from way at the bottom. No, I can't do it. I just can't do it. But look at the cheese. It's amazing. One of these days we'll find out how they make cheese.
That's amazing.
What is the smoked black pepper white cheddar cheese? Yeah? Look at the cow.
Should we explore upstairs in the
I know, I can look back inside. Huh?
Let's go
What?
back in line.
are you seriously going to?
Fix freeze. Chicken. Should have got like a chicken.
Shots like that, like pockets of cheese, like.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at me. Secret. I didn't shower yet today. I did brush my teeth though.
I showered.
Yeah, but he didn't. Neither did Ed. Or his brother. Well, this is getting mighty boring. I'll turn it on when we can watch the cheese being made. Peace out, little buddy. Look at him over there, making the cheese. He may look mean, but don't worry, we're protected by glass. What's in there? Look at that, look at that. That's amazing.
You knock on the window and he's like, ah!
Look, well, there it goes. Yeah, what's that floating around in there? Yeah, that's right. I have it on video, people.
Me and Joe were sitting here. We were trying to talk to this guy.
Everybody comes to the cheese factory. They want cheddar cheese. 97. Yeah. Hey Casey, want to go on the other side of the blue rail? What it says?
Not.
Yeah. Blue rail. The shadow within me.
You didn't see a bra.
After
Hey, really?
testing, the milk is transferred to a
Nice.
stainless steel holding tank, or silo. There are 4 30,000-gallon silos and 4 25,000-gallon silos at the factory.
No, I'm just a dude wearing a bra.
Pumps 1.9 million pounds of milk per day, and 1.6
They wouldn't let him get a job at the airport, but they figured he looked too much.
delivered here 24 hours a day,
Delicious looking.
7 days a week, and is used on a first-in, first-used basis. The remainder of the milk will be made into butter, milk, and ice cream products.
What, butter?
From the holding tank, milk will go
Thinking of
through a
this guy walking
separator
over
to
to one
divide
of
the
those
fat
milk
from the
tanks,
milk.
dropping a bomb in there.
Then the milk passes through the where it is heat shocked at 151 degrees.
This part's getting boring, so we'll talk to you later.
Really
At
enjoy
one
this
time.
job, or really hate it?
Yeah, because
After
people
60
watch you.
days, samples
Those
of
creepy
cheese
people
are
that watch me.
taken
Oh, now I'm going to be filmed
This
soon.
video
for
tape.
moisture,
I have a feeling that empty bag is going to be filmed relatively soon.
flavor, salt,
I'm
and
waiting for
texture.
a cake to fall.
The cheese grader determines at this time
Come
whether
on.
the cheese will be marketed as a medium cheddar
Feel it.
or held for 7 months or 15 months and marketed as aged
Trying to
or
ruin
extra
me.
cheese. Tillamook employs a fully automated storage and retrieval system for block cheese and packaged goods. The system is capable of storing 23 million pounds of cheese blocks.
Some tells me this part of the trip's not going to make it on this finished DVD. Damn, this is boring.
In total, Tillamook is capable of storing 14
Is it cool
million
like
pounds
that,
of
Eric?
cheese
Why
in
ask?
various stages of aging to meet
Huh?
growing sales demand.
Wait. There's girlfriend. Bye. Nothing. I'm just now. Sign us out.
What?
Sign us out.
Sign us out?
You have to say something.
The cheese is
Something
cooked
makes
from 90
sense.
degrees to 55 degrees in 18 hours.
Anything?
Peace out, Cub Scouts.
The blocks exit
Well, it was exciting when I was young, but now it pretty much sucks and the ice cream's too expensive. Goodbye, stink town. Hey, look, a bike ride.